My ports. The ports. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes.
Yeah.
John Bird, you get to respond now, you know. You get
Yeah,
to
well,
keep them
well,
charged.
well. Yes, sir. Yeah, the historian thing when I missed one day.
Yeah.
In Fletcher's land, we used to hang out with the police them. We used to burnish them shoes. Burnish, I want everybody to know. Burnish them shoes.
Yeah, man.
When it was just a one strike, the person in charge of the station and the inspector come. Everybody get busy, cause in a station them have a room where them bed and them have to put out them kit and them bed and them shoes after this. All clean. You understand? From them time they are involved in social work. In all scenes.
Social work, not yet.
Yeah, in all scenes.
Yeah, burnish the police.
The second Tri-Y Youth Club in Kingston was All Saints. Whitestone was first and then All Saints. And I was a librarian then. Now, we had Fletcher's Land Youth Club. And it lasts for about 7 months. And you get the funk.
No.
And then there was a
I thought you want to talk to me.
there was a man who worked in the in the sugar estate, and him see some youth playing cricket, catch a shobby on the sidewalk, and him stop them and say, I have some trophy, you know, but you know if you have a club, and now look at the trophy, them now if you have a club. So lo and behold, everybody come on my yard, 7 youth, you know. Them come on my yard and say, Mr. John, man say one club, one play cricket and thing, you know. So I said, alright. So we formed Fletcher's United Youth Club. That was on the 22nd of February 1972. Now, every Wednesday we keep meeting from 7 people, you know. But by about 3 months, it turned 30 odd people. My people them in the yard start ball, my mother and my cousin them say, wait, them come take over the place on Wednesday daytime. So we have to end up over St. Barnabas, that was next door to us. And on the 17th of May 1974, the name changed from Fletcher's United Youth Club to Fletcher's Land Police Youth Club. And that police youth club has been going on ever since. The only thing that stopped it from operating was the pandemic, the COVID-19. But some of the youth them come back to me and say, well, boy, them want to start it back. You understand? And then in the 60s, I went to the post office. And I was always involved in social work in the post office. As a matter of fact, the express service that started at the post office, I was the person who used to go to the airport with the express mail. Sometimes when I go there, we don't get no mail. And when I come in back, them I laugh and say, John Bird, you all about the work for nothing. But after a while, the express start flow. But the exhibitions in the postal service, I was the person who conceptualized it. And Fletcher's Land, the post office, when Post and Telegraph Sports Club, the name changed to Post and Telecommunication after years. But when it was Post and Telegraph, we made our first tour to send kits. The secretary then saw something in the paper that a brother named Harris who used to play for the Combined Islands, is now working in the Ministry of Education at St. Kitts. I will write him and start corresponding with him. And it worked out to a tour. In 1974, we toured St. Kitts and Nevis. And then in 1975, we toured Guantanamo Bay. I celebrate Jamaica 13 independence. Now, in those days, Jamaica independence was celebrated also at Guantanamo Bay, because Guantanamo Bay had most of the workers them was Jamaicans. Yeah, other Caribbean islands, but Jamaicans was, because them even had was to get Jamaicans as police, because Jamaican man them used to beat off the American police them, So them had was to get Jamaican man. So
You never beat them out to Cuba.
no, well it was a US base.
Oh, serious, should have beat them
It was
out.
a US base in a Cuba.
I know.
You understand? So
Yeah.
in the postal service, we dominated the Jamaica Civil Service competitions. Football, netball, domino, cricket. And between 1984 to 1994, we accumulate 44 trophies in the civil service competition. As a matter of fact, the civil service, when it was 30 odd years old, his post office was the only team that was triple champion in a 1981. It is a tall story what I kind of. In the 70s, we were playing domino.
Yeah, no,
We were playing domino in the 70s.
no man, that's a genre. Yeah.
Yeah, we were playing domino in the 70s.
Yeah.
And the spear and a permanent secretary at the Ministry of Education and his partner. And he the permanent secretary at double 5. And the man over him man at the killer for double 5. And his partner at the 5. He never have no 5. So when him say coded to him send the 5. And the brother take up the domino and go up on the stage and put it down and lick it down. And kill the dog 5. And we win. The next day, Mr. White, who was the organizer, come down to post office and say, gentlemen, I'm sorry. Say what you're sorry for. You are not civil servants and you can't play in the competition again. So okay, you have to be civil servant. And say yes, so we go to the administration who was eligible to be civil servants and get them sign them up to the civil service so that we could play. But it takes so long that it is about 4 or 5 years we never play. So back in 1979, no, in 1976, we played as Passport Sports Club. That time I was playing. Yeah. And in 1979, we never have nowhere to train, so we went down by the mall on the concrete to train. And 79 we win 2 trophies. 1980 no competition never play because of the election. Because where civil service is, Justice Sierra Park, is Mosquito Valley. Mosquito Valley is a bell ring coming. So when post officer play, you have all football, you have all 10, 15, 20 man on bicycle. That are the letter carriers them, you know. So anytime post office score a goal, a pure bell ring.
Ah.
So we was the favorite